Okay, put it away. Step 2. Using my standard mixer, beat egg whites with 1/4 cream of tartar. Step 3. You gradually added the 1/3 cup of sugar. You do it bit by bit, okay? The next step is to continue the beating of the egg whites until it's formed a soft peak. We are now in the procedure of melting the 1 cup of sugar with 1/3 cup of water. The 5th step, in a clean saucepan, preferably with a spout, combine the 1 cup white sugar and 1/3 water on a medium-high heat stove. Stir until the sugar melts. Looks clear. Seventh step, pour the hot clear sugar syrup into the mixer with your egg whites. Your meringue should be in a soft peak form. Continue the beating of the meringue until it's cool. Step 10. Add the softened and salted butter into the mixer. While it is running, do it slowly, piece by piece, say 1 tablespoon at a time. Continue the beating of the butter and the mixture. Come to a uniform glossiness, looking silky. This is glorious.